Yeah, hi guys. It has been quite a while now, I understand, that I've not been on the tube. Okay, but then, it all happens. Today, this morning, in fact, I'm Emmanuel Ikukole, and, we're going to talk about one thing. How do you, now that you know what you really want, okay, how do you stay consistent on that? How do you keep on? How do you keep on with the dream, with the thing that you want, for this long, for a consistent amount of time? So here's how you do it. In fact, I was doing my workout session this morning. I was doing my push-ups, and this thought just came. And I asked myself, Emmanuel, why have you been doing this for this long? What keeps you going? What keeps you never giving up on pushing up and sculpting, your body and building this body, So I had to think back at how I got here. I'm still on the process, okay? I'm still in the process. So here's the catch. First of all, you think about what you want. A body, a well-sculpted, chiseled body, okay? Now, you have to fall in love with the picture. What I did was, I would just literally sit down in a quiet corner in my room and just visualize myself, with a nice sculpted body, healthy, strong, confident, about to get into my Mercedes, my black C200 Mercedes, and that's all I saw. And I kept on with that picture. It has taken me about 6 years now, and I've not been so consistent. Sometimes I've given it all up, But I think what really kept me on is that beautiful picture. I fall in love with that picture every time I think about it, and it has that is what my reality is. You get a picture, that's my reality, that's the body, that's me. And there's no way I could deviate from that. So the next question is the work. You got to put in the work, the push-ups, the pull-ups, and all of that morning after morning, And I do that because that's the only picture of myself that I see. That's the beautiful image of myself that I see. It may not be what it is right now, physically speaking, but it's already manifesting. I'm heading there. That's what El Nightingale, that was the definition of success. Having a worthy ideal and pursuing that worthy ideal is being successful already. So you get it. So number one, think about what you want. Number two, create movies, create beautiful sceneries and pictures of you in that dream and having whatever it is that you want. Fall in love with the idea and it becomes your reality, and then you would find a consistent way of getting to that picture. You have a fantastic day. I'm in Douala and I'm enjoying this hotel, and I wish you a fantastic day.